Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change recent file number. So guys, if you want to set and if you want to change this number, so press Ctrl plus K. You will see this dialog box. Here click on file handling. Now here you will see recent file list contents. So how many files retained in the open recent files. You can add the number up to 30, 1 up to 30 numbers. Maximum is 30. Then click on OK. And integer between 0 and 30 is required. Close valid. So this is the way you can change and you can set as your required number into recent files in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.